What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this video in which we're taking a look at Ether or Ethereum, which if you're new to this channel, first of all, welcome. Second of all, that's what I try to do daily. I try to update the analysis on Ethereum and Bitcoin daily. So if you're interested in that, we're just taking a look at the price, obviously, but also a little bit more at the market and see if there's any fundamentals going on behind Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's what we're doing in these videos. If you think that's valuable, consider subscribing. But for now, let's dive right into it. So the volume of Ethereum has dropped down quite a bit, down 20%. It's still very high, all right? The volume yesterday was exceptionally high. It was at something like 11%. It's now around 9.7%. It's almost at that 10% of the market cap mark, which 10% is really high for Ethereum. All right. So if you compare this over the last month, you can see that we had that high around 24 billion in volume, but this is definitely among the higher ranges of volume. But more importantly, let's take a look at the price, and also let's talk a little bit about the merge. Both go hand in hand, obviously. Ethereum has still been quite bearish, as you can see over the chart, ever since that big drop the 14th of August. Compared to other cryptos though, Ethereum has actually been holding out pretty well. You can clearly see this structure forming, and I think this structure is also still valid. That's also what I said in the analysis yesterday. And what I'm expecting is another drop down to this level here at around 1250 and 1200. What I said yesterday too though, and I think it's really important to talk about that again, is that Ethereum is holding onto these levels better because the fundamentals for Ethereum on the short term are just better. The merge to me is really a net positive and really bullish fundamentally, and for the long term of Ethereum. And that's why I think this bearish flag was actually really bullish. As you can see, we went up quite a bit, and this one, we went up quite a bit as well. While Bitcoin is just moving sideways, Ethereum is really moving up. And that could be a reason why this move wouldn't happen, all right? There's a chance that this move doesn't happen, because if we stay above this level here at 1400 until the merge comes, so that's less than 2 weeks, which I'm just going to be honest about that. It seems unlikely that we'll hold 1400 until like for the next 2 weeks. But if we do manage to do that, I mean, that would be great, and we could get a rally all the way up to 1800 again at the very minimum. But for now, because the merge is so far away, I still think that something like this is the most likely scenario. All right. So what I expect is there's quite a lot of bearish momentum right now. I expect us to drop down to 1500 because we haven't touched 1500 in some time. I do think we'll get quite a strong move off of that, with the maximum price we can reach being this 1630 level. That's also where that 100 EMA and the 200 EMA meet. This is just a very strong resistance level. I don't see us getting above that. As I said, I do see us getting there. Within the next few days, I do expect us to drop down to 1400. And to consolidate between 1400 and ultimately like 1560. I think after a while we won't be able to reach 1600 again, and then from that consolidation, because the merge is that far away, I still expect somewhere at the end of next week, or like in 6-7 days, something like that, I am expecting a bearish breakout out of 1400. Which in my analysis would mean a drop down to 1350 and then down to 1250. 1350 isn't really a support level. That level around 1250 is a major support level, and I think that level could actually hold for a longer period of time and until the merge. So if you want to know more about what the merge could mean for Ethereum, make sure to subscribe, because I talk about that quite often in these videos too. I will make a dedicated video on that too, but for now, this is my take on Ethereum today. I want to thank you all for watching and listening. I want to wish you all a great day, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.